Hey, wordsmiths, how's it going? You okay? You awake? I didn't want to disturb you. I just wasn't sure if you were conscious. We're doing 2 words in this video, conscious and evade. I'll define the words, discuss some word origins, and then we'll use them in some example sentences. Let's begin with conscious. It's an adjective. It means aware, awake. You can be literally conscious, like awake, moving around, or you can be figuratively conscious, like you're conscious or aware of someone's likes or dislikes. I'm conscious of your love of asparagus, so I'll make sure you get a big helping at dinner. And evade is a verb. To evade something is to avoid or dodge it, to get out of the way. Like how you might try to evade water balloons during a water balloon fight. This usually does not work. So there's the literal, concrete evasion, literally getting out of the way, and then there's more of an abstract way of using it, where you could say, I evaded the responsibility of cleaning up after the water balloon fight. Let's do some word origins. I thought we were done with the water balloons. Conscious comes from con, meaning together or very, and the root psi, I know there's a C in there, but we don't say the C, comes from the Latin scire, meaning to know. Let's take a look at some related words. We've got science, that evidence-based reasoning system we all know and love. It's just basically knowing, right? That's what science is knowing. Or conscience. The word origins here are identical to conscious, but it means something different, like a moral sense, an awareness of what is right and wrong. Bullying is wrong. Cheating is wrong. Your conscience tells you that. Evade comes from ex, meaning out, and vad from Latin vadere, meaning to go. So you're escaping, you're getting away when you evade, right? You're getting out. Other words that have that vad word part in them include invade. To invade is to come in, right? Oh no, the aliens are invading from outer space. They've gone in to where we live, Earth. Or pervasive. Per means through or completely. So something that is pervasive is something that goes everywhere, goes throughout. A hit song might be pervasive in that you hear it everywhere you go. Let's use these words in some sentences. I had only been conscious for 5 minutes when the fire alarm went off, jolting me out of bed. Here I'm using conscious to mean awake. I'd only been awake for 5 minutes. Now let me use it to mean aware. You are no doubt conscious of the consequences of failure, said Madame Prip, stroking her enormous pet snake. Oh, or if not, let me be clear, Rupert here shall have you for dinner. She's saying to be conscious, to be aware of the consequences. All right, next one. A celebrated art thief, Laszlo evaded capture for decades, even as museums hired hundreds of security guards. Look at that mysterious gentleman. Will no one ever catch him? Will he forever get away? What drives you, Laszlo? Oh, you terrible sneak. Wordsmiths. Perhaps this is over-obvious, but it's bad to steal things. That is what my conscience tells me. Yes, theft is bad, but you know what is good? Vocabulary. You can't steal a word. You can only learn it. That's something I like about knowledge. It can only be shared. Unless it's like a state secret or something. Don't steal those. Pearls of wisdom like these are available throughout Khan Academy's course offerings. But I'm afraid you're going to have to wait until the next video to get more of them out of me. Until then, you can learn anything. David out.